going to be looking at the Rockwood Ultra Lite 2606WS. This is going to give you a dry weight of 6,158 pounds. Cargo capacity is going to be 2,550, giving you a total GVWR of 8,708 pounds. Hitch weight on this is going to be 908 pounds. Your height on this unit is 11 feet 2 inches, and it's going to be 29 feet 9 inches long from hitch to bumper. Width on this unit is going to be 8 feet. Freshwater capacity of 54 gallons, black water of 45 gallons, and gray water of 90 gallons. Awning length on this unit is going to be 21 feet. Hi, Jevon Monaghan here with RV Wholesalers. I'm going to go over the Rockwood 2606WS with you here today. So let's get started. Got on this unit, do get double battery bank there, double tank as well for your LP. This unit does come with one solar panel standard from the manufacturer. Can option in a second solar panel as well, depending on how much dry camping you might want to do or not have the chance to be hooked up to electric. They really set these up nicely for you. This unit comes with your power stabilizer jacks, your control right here, and there will be another one on the rear for the rear jacks to be able to lower those for you. The Rockwood gives you a great size pass-through storage here up front, huge space for you, be able to put quite a bit of supplies in there very nicely and not crowded at all. Get your nice power awning on this unit here, full-length LED there for you as well. Nice little porch light as well for you there. Here you'll see our hot water tank, all right? And you can see, if you're not already watching us on YouTube, I know we're also on Facebook. Hop on over there. Be more than happy to get you on there, subscribe, give us some likes, and see all this video plus others on that one as well. I'm going to give your exterior TV hookup for you here. Your mount's going to be right above there for you. Be able to enjoy some entertainment outside, especially if you're camping in nicer weather. The Rockwoods are going to give you a nice big door handle here. Really makes it easy to get in and out, along with your nice stable entry steps to get into this unit. So this is going to bring you over here to the rear, give you a nice central command center, sort of say. Going to give you your cable satellite hookup, your city connection. Also going to give you an inlet for your antifreeze, make it nice and easy when you go to winterize your camper for the winter. Going to give you your external shower here as well, and then of course your power connection for when you're at the campsite as well. Moving around here to the rear, you get a nice ladder here, be able to get up to the roof, do any maintenance, cleaning, whatever you might want to do there, and then your spare tire as well. Rockwood also gives you a 2-inch hitch receiver as well here on the back for you to be able to pull something else if you need to with that unit. Then on the opposite side here, again, this is going to be that pass-through storage with access on both sides of the trailer for you. Nice huge space here for you. Be able to put all kinds of equipment for you for your camping trip. So here we are inside the Rockwood. They give you a great nice closet here when you enter in. Gives you a couple of hangers, hang some coats. Then you've got some shelves as well here to put some storage, whatever you want in there. You can use it as a pantry if you want, or shoes, whatever, but nice size storage there for you. Coming around the corner here, this is going to be your entertainment center. Gives you a TV here on a mount that will pull out, swivel for you a little bit. Then a nice little sound system, radio control for you there as well. Down below you've got your electric heater, simulated fireplace. Great way to take the chill off on a chilly evening or morning if you don't want to fire up your furnace. Then gives you a nice little storage here for DVDs, movies, whatever you might want to store in here for your TV. Moving on down here, going to give you your 12-volt refrigerator. Again, this is going to run off your batteries with the standard solar panel on the roof. Keep those charged. Nice way to keep your refrigerator running while you're towing to and from your destination. Going to give you your 3-burner stove, an oven, again with the nice accent lighting here that you can turn on and off as well. Above, going to have your microwave as well. Gives you some nice storage here underneath the sink. Nice access to the plumbing as well, but great storage spot there for you. Nice pull away nozzle for your sink. Gives you that real residential feel. And then on this unit, going to give you a double-sided sink. Some units have the option of a whole single sink. A lot of people like that double sink as well. All right, so opposite of your sink area, going to get your table and chairs here rather than your typical booth dinette. Gives you the ability to be able to move those chairs around for you. Also give you some extra seating if you want to entertain a few extra people. Don't have to confine them to the table there, so a really nice feature there for you. I'm going to give you a nice little sofa here. Middle will flip down. Give you a nice couple of spots for cup holders. And then they really thought of it, gave you a nice spot there to be able to charge any devices or anything. Get USB plus a 110 outlet there, all right there and handy. This unit's going to give you the drawstring type release for your footrests. And then your controls here actually work a lumbar support. So it'll blow up that lower back area if you want a little extra support while you're sitting. That's makes it a really nice feature on that. Gives you some storage up here above again. Again, you can be creative on what you need to store and where. They definitely give you the space to do that on this unit. So in the bathroom here, you've got your nice floor flush commode there, really making that nice and compact, giving you plenty of room in here, utilizing the space. Then you've got your shower there, again with a sun roof there above that unit, give you a little extra headroom, especially for you taller fellers like myself. Then you've got your exhaust fan in the ceiling. Moving over to a nice little closet space, storage space there. Great place to put towels, whatever you might need in there. And then you've got a medicine cabinet there above the sink. And then give you a nice little shelf there just below the medicine cabinet for toothbrushes and whatever else you might need to store in there. All right, so brings us into the bedroom here. Gives you a nice walk around at the foot here on both sides for you. Again, gives you some great storage in here, gives you some shelves here, then a nice little wardrobe there for some hanging as well for your clothes, so plenty of space to put your clothes. Then on your side here, you get a 110 plus a USB port for you on both sides of the bed here. Again, gives you a nice spot, charge your devices. If you have any sleeping aids such as a CPAP or anything, a great shelf there for you and a way to plug that in as well. And then storage here up above. Another nice thing on this unit to utilize the space is they do give you a sliding door rather than a swinging door that's going to take up extra space. And then it does give you TV mount and hookups here in the bedroom if you'd like to have some entertainment to watch while you're in the bedroom here. So that is the Rockwood here. I've enjoyed going over it with you. If you have any specific questions on this unit or any other unit, please feel free to give us a call, 877-877-4494. You can reach myself and my team members at extension 1000, but we've got several guys here more than happy to answer any questions on this unit and others for you. Be more than happy to get you into something, get you out there camping.